everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video we're going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for April 2019. So this is here really late this month. It's really weird how late it is. It's what, today's the 21st. I got it on the 20th. But let's go ahead and get into it. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It does have a little book in it, as well as a couple of cards and the bag, which is completely see-through this month. All right. Let's go ahead and see what is on everything here. So we've got this little card here. It says, "Hey gorgeous, we hope you're loving our editor's product picks and know how much we value having you as a loyal member. Just to let you know, due to an unforeseen supplier shortage, instead of receiving a Briogeo product in your box this month, you'll find our favorite items from both John Frieda and Renee Furture? Something like that. So no Briogeo for me. I don't know if other people have it or not, but mine came really late this month. And then a May theme is Beauty Innovations, 7 game changers. You're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Box lineup. Scratch off to reveal. And then it has a little scratcher. Let's go ahead and scratch it. I'm curious. I'm going to go ahead and I have a pair of scissors here. I'm probably just going to get dust all over my table, but let's go ahead and scratch it and see what it says. All right, so that didn't work real well. Can you guys see? Let's see. It looks like it says Amore Pacific, Lou by Jean Sepp, something like Seo, John Seo, Larizzi, Laneige, Model Co, Saint Tropez, and what does this last one say? It says NS. Anti-frizz sheets? I don't know. It didn't work out real well. I just started scratching the picture off. Anyway, on the cover of the magazine this month is Carly Bible. She is a beautiful woman. Okay, so I'm going to read the little description here because this is supposed to be like a curated box. So we asked Carly Bible to help us pick the products for your April beauty box. And oh, maybe you've heard of her. The beauty vlogger has more than 6 million subscribers on YouTube, and it's easy to see why. Bible is a master of sexy, smoky eyes, so of course she helped us stock your beauty box with some very cool, very sultry eye makeup essentials. You're getting one of the world's best eyeshadow brushes and a sparkling metallic shadow from Best of Beauty winning brand in our splurge category, Natasha Denona. There's also an eyeliner that's easy to smudge, so when you're feeling lazy, you can use it to sneakily create a smoky eye in seconds. Plus, one of the most innovative self-tanners we've tried yet. Okay. Let's go ahead and open the bag. And I'm going to pull out the first 2 items that were like the replacement items since I don't have a Briogeo item in here. So I got the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Finishing Cream with avocado oil, seals hair to eliminate frizz and flyaways. That is what that looks like. Okay. It smells good. All right, and the other item is from Renee Furture. I don't know. It is the texture spray, Vegetals Texture Spray. So that is what that one looks like. Okay. So what I was supposed to get was one or the other of Briogeo products. They have the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Maybe you're supposed to get both. Maybe you're supposed to get both of these. And the other one is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I've gotten the conditioning spray before. I don't think I've ever gotten the heat protectant cream. But there is a discount code. Enter Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order from April 15th through June 15th. So maybe I was supposed to get both of them. I don't know. If you guys have seen other unboxings and people have gotten those, let me know in the comment section down below. Usually if it's one or the other, it actually says or, but it looks like maybe I was supposed to get both. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. I got a Luxie brush, which I love Luxie brushes. This is a small tapered blending brush, which, I mean, I really like Luxie brushes. I've gotten several of them before, and I enjoy every one that I have. I will definitely enjoy this one. So this is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush in rose gold. Even after going Marie Kondo on my brush collection, I still have 20 at my desk. Truly, they all bring me joy. I thought I must have one exactly like Luxie's, but alas, its unique shape, length, and size brings my collection to 21. The short tapered synthetic hairs deposit the perfect amount of shadow to flatter my almond-shaped eyes. They have the right amount of stiffness to precisely apply both creams and powders, but also enough flexibility to seamlessly blend up and out. This is from Kathleen Suko, a beauty assistant. Price is $12. You can buy it at luxiebeauty.com and enter code ALLURING at checkout to receive 20% off your order from April 15th through June 15th. So, I love Luxie brushes. They are fantastic. All right, next up, let's go ahead and pull this out. This is from Laura Geller. It's one of the Incredibles Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Fool's Gold. And I know I have other pencils from her, but I don't think I have this shade. I'm actually fairly certain I don't have this shade. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. That's pretty. That is what it looks like there on my hand. Okay. That is what the pencil looks like. It's just a standard pencil. It is a gel pencil. All right, so the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. There are a few boxes that an eyeliner has to check in order to be a favorite of mine, and Laura Geller's pencil liners exceed expectations with their super pigmented, creamy color and fine, soft points. The color can easily be smudged out or left alone for a crisp, precise line. With a sharpener conveniently / brilliantly built into the packaging, why don't more pencils have this? I'm assuming it's at the bottom. Yes, it is. The bottom of the pencil is a sharpener. It's great for throwing in your bag. You'll get one of a variety of shades in your box. The colors range from soft lilac to deep black, and the waterproof formula makes good on its promise to stay put all day. And that is from Cotton Cadena, Senior Beauty Features Editor. You can get it at laurageller.com. Enter Allure at checkout to receive 20% off your order from March 1st through August 1st, 2019. It says shades may vary. And I got gold. So I'm going to see. Well, I'll probably let it dry too long, so it's not really smudging right now. But I know I have some black eyeliners from her. I don't know that I've ever used them though. All right, let's move on. This is from, looks like Vita Liberata? Vita Liberata. Phenomenal up to 10 days from one application. Organic tan infused cloth. And there are 2 of them. So that's what that looks like. Okay. So this says the Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. A little about me. I self-tan once every 2 weeks, and my boyfriend can always tell when. The smell, the look, the residue, and he never fails to call me out. Except for when I tried the new Vita Liberata tanning cloths. He had no idea. Madison 1, boyfriend 0. I was skeptical at first. I'd never used a self-tanner in cloth form, but the pocket-size rayon squares are infused with self-tanner that's actually mess-free. 2 were enough to easily cover my entire body, and hours later, I had a very natural looking and smelling glow. From Madison Theobald, social media manager. You can get them at Ulta.com. You enter code ALLURE20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, valid April 15th through June 15th. So, all right, that's interesting. I might actually give these a try. I've been very curious about self-tanning recently. I don't know why. I've never been curious about it before, but for some reason right now I'm very curious about it. I don't know. All right, let's pull this out. Oh, wait a minute. I did get a Briogeo product. So it appears that those other 2 items were just in replacement of the leave-in conditioner, because this is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry. Okay. So this is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protecting Cream. So I guess I got 2 items instead of the 1 conditioning spray, leave-in conditioning spray. Okay. I've used the conditioning spray before. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it is okay, and I would have used it if I'd gotten it. You get hit with this heat protectant cream's pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube, and the scent lingers for hours after you've blow dried. But that's not the only reason I love this light cream. After towel drying, I run a dime size amount through my damp hair, blow dry with a paddle brush, and I'm left with a silky, frizz-free blowout that lasts until I'm ready to wash my hair again, usually every other day. Since the cream makes it easier to smooth my hair, it shaves a couple of minutes off of my blowout. Just don't use too much. In my experience, that can make hair feel gummy, especially when I tried layering this frizz fighter over a leave-in conditioner. But once you get the proportions right, it's smooth hair for days. And that's Sophia Panich, Digital Deputy Beauty Director. You can buy it at briogeohair.com, and Allure 15 gives you 15% off your order from April 15th through June 15th. So I got 2 items instead of the 1, which is kind of interesting. All right, the last item is probably the item that I am most excited about. This is a Natasha Denona single eyeshadow, and it looks like it's a shade 131 DC Morgana. Okay. Oh, wow. That is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, I don't know that this is a shade that I will wear. It's pretty though. My golly, it's pretty. Look at that. It is a bright orange. Okay. It's pretty. Okay. So this says shades may vary. I'm not sure about this shade. All right, so Natasha Denona Mono Eyeshadow, and it says shades may vary. I'm no stranger to Natasha Denona. The makeup artist shadows are out of this world good. I love that I can put one on in the morning, and by the end of the night, it's still perfect. Even dusted on dry, these eyeshadows are vibrant. If you really want to turn heads, though, spritz your brush with setting spray. After you dip it into the shadow, then apply. You'll get one of a variety of sparkling shades in your box. This is from Angela Trocosius, editorial assistant. So if you go to natashadenona.com, you can enter code ND Sunset X Allure at checkout to receive 30% off the Sunset eyeshadow palette from April 15th through June 15th. I'll be honest, I have had my eye on that palette for a couple of months now, and I haven't bought it because it is so crazy expensive. 30% off? I'm tempted. I am really tempted. I don't know. Anyway, it's a beautiful shade. It's absolutely beautiful shade. So, all right, let's go back over. I think that's everything, right? Well, the bag's empty, that's for sure. But I'm looking through the book, and that is everything. So we got the Natasha Denona single shadow. Mine was in a bright, vibrant orange shade, which was pretty. It's not something I typically wear, but I could change my look, right? The Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Eyeliner in Fool's Gold. The Luxie Brush. The Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protecting Cream. The Vita Liberata Phenomenal Self-Tanning Wipes, or are they wipes? Cloths. And then the 2 items that I got in place of the other Briogeo item was the Renee Fortreur Texture Spray and the John Frieda Frizz Ease. So overall, I'm not disappointed in this box. For $15 plus tax, I got an individual Natasha Denona, which I'm excited about. The eyeliner I'll give a try. The brush I'm excited about. I love Luxie brushes. And I'm interested to try the tanning wipes. The frizzies and the texture spray, that's fine. Texture spray, I might just go ahead and put in my giveaway drawer because I don't really use this product, that type of product. The Farewell Frizz blow dry protection, I don't know. I might put this in my giveaway drawer. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does have a safety seal, so that might go in my giveaway drawer. I'm not sure yet. So overall, do I think it's worth $15? Yes, I do. Most of all, I'm excited about the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, the brush, and the eyeliner, and I'm curious about the self-tanning cloths. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I love to hear your thoughts on the items that I got in my bag or box. And if you know if anybody got the Briogeo product, let me know that as well. I do appreciate any interaction you guys like to have with me. And just one more quick thing, I did open my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. The link is in the description bar down below. All of our winter clothes are on sale right now, and our spring line is coming very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!